Hello everyone, in this video we will be showing how to install Maryam web interface for Iris module. So let's get started. The first step is to copy the link from the GitHub repository. Once you have the link, open your terminal and run the following command: git clone followed by a space, then paste the copy link. Now wait for cloning process to complete. Great! Once the cloning is completed, navigate to the cloned repo using the command cd maryam. Press enter. Now we need to set up the project by installing its dependency using the command pip install space -e space dot to download all required dependency, including Node.js and npm for the web interface. Now the setup is complete, we can run web interface. Simply type Maryam space hyphen e space web space iris in the terminal. This command will start the web API and launch the web interface in your local machine. Now let's test if the web interface and API working perfectly or not. In the web interface, we will performing a search query. Let's search GitHub and hit enter. It may take little bit of time to fetch data from the API. As you can see, the data has been fetched successfully. The results are displayed on our screen. If you click on any link, it will be opened in a new tab. Now let's try out the voice search feature of web interface. Click on microphone icon and say what you want to search. For demonstration, we will search Facebook and press enter. Great, you successfully install the Maryam web interface for Iris module and test its feature. Thank you for watching this video.